Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a PayPal currency conversion error. This issue usually happens when PayPal can't process a payment in your chosen currency, or when the settings don't match your funding source. First, log into your PayPal account and go to the Wallet section. Select the card or bank you're using, and check the currency conversion settings. If PayPal is set to convert automatically, you can switch it to use your card issuer's conversion instead, or the other way around, depending on what works best. Next, check that your account balance supports the currency you're trying to use. If not, go to Manage Currencies in your PayPal balance and add or set the correct currency as primary. Also confirm that the merchant or recipient accepts the currency you're paying with, because if they don't, PayPal will try to convert it and errors may appear. Clearing your browser cache or trying again in the PayPal app can also solve temporary glitches. And if the problem continues, contact PayPal support to review your transaction and fix the conversion settings. And that's it. That's how you fix a PayPal currency conversion error. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.